So this is the top that I've chosen. So it depends on what top you want and what towel you want. But you can just put a top what goes with the long sleeve shirt. And then this is what it looks like. I got this in a large, it's a little bit baggy, but that's how it's like I've seen it sold. I like that. But this is what it looks like with the coat on. It's so cute, I'm in love with this outfit.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video, a little sneak peek. Today's video is going to be how to tile patterns to trouser patterns, to shirt patterns, to coat patterns and everything. So I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like if you do like it, and yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so this outfit looks very plain for what the title says. I get it, but obviously this outfit is plain, but the pattern is on the shirt. You can't really see it that well. Like, it is a very subtle pattern, but also it's got like these buttons are like two together and then a space and then two together. But normally you have one then one there or something like that. So I like that. And then these trousers are just more lighter blue. And I love like blending different colours but like the same colour. That makes sense. And then obviously this ties up, but I'm rubbish at doing bows. Now with another full colour outfit. Not meaning to match the colours, but I just find like different types of colours go together. Like different shades. But obviously these are some camo jeans, and these were from Shein, and then this top was from Boohoo. Some of the items will be linked down below, the ones that I can get a copy of, but most of my clothes I do go in person, but I will try and like this whole outfit will be linked down below. Well, not the jacket, what I'm going to put on. I've got this jacket. Now you can get loads of different types of green jackets, or you could use a black jacket or a white one if you want the outfit to stand out more. But I will put this one on. So it looks like this. Now, I don't know if that would be a great transition, but this is what it looks like. So again with the different type of green, obviously if this is too much you can change the coat, but it just takes away that bit a little bit more. It's still there, but it's not as subtle, I don't think. And yeah, on to the next one. Now, this is a very, very, very plain outfit. I would still wear it out because it's quite nice with the light grey and black together, and the long polo neck as well. It's quite comfy, but if you want to spice it up, another way to put patterns on your outfit is just buying loads of pattern coats. Now this is an outfit that I do want to wear outside at some point, but right now I'm not going outside that often. But this is an outfit I do want to wear outside because it's just so cute, and the coat just makes it go. So obviously if you have a black coat with like spots, you can, I've actually got one like that, but the spots are white, so I didn't think it would go that well. So I've got this coat instead, but if you've got another coat what goes better, or it goes better with your like style, and you like it in that way, you can easily match it up. But this is just a way to tile plain outfits with pattern coats. Now with this one, you can leave the outfit like this. Ripped jeans and a stripy polo neck top. I don't know what I've done to this, but yeah. Or if you don't like it being too stripy and you feel like it's too out there, because I know some people don't like that many patterns, and this is just personally how I tile it, because I could go out like this, but I just feel like the way I see it styled with these types of polo neck long sleeve tops is better. So grab yourself a top and then you just pop it on like this. So this is the top that I've chosen. So it depends on what top you want and what style you want, but you can just put a top what goes with the long sleeve shirt, and then this is what it looks like at the top. And I just find it's like more retro, I think it is the word, and like just it's a little bit gothy, but I think it's cool. You feel like a badass beep. But you all know what I mean, like I feel that, like, I don't know. On to the second to last one, I think. So I was wrong, this is the third outfit to the last one. But this is more a smart way to put a bit of pattern into your life. So these are just smart jeans, I've got like loads of them. If you don't check out any of my other fashion videos, you should. But everyone knows probably now that I'm obsessed with these smart jeans, smart trousers. So there's a bow there, I'm rubbish at bows, so mind how it looks. And then this is a snake print shirt, button up shirt, and the pattern just looks like that, obviously like a snake. But I find like this is not too out there, because like you can see like the colours go together and they're not standing out too much. And you just need some black boots and then a white or black coat, and then you're ready to go to like a meeting. I don't know if it's like interview approved though, I wouldn't say so. But a meeting, yeah, I would say so. I would wear this to a meeting because you still look smart. Now, on to the second to last one this time. Back with the casual, but we're going to make it look cooler with a coat. So this is actually a new top of mine. It's a skinny dip top. It says, busy building my empire, and if you're not an Anastasia fan or like follower or subscriber, I don't know what to call it these days, viewer or whatever. If you're not one of them, it's a YouTuber's merch from Skinnydip. She just launched 4 days ago, I think, while this video's gone up. 4 or 5 days ago, about a week ago, nearly. But I love this top. There was loads more, so I'll link this top down below. But there's loads more. I don't know if it will be available because it is limited edition. So if I can, I will link it down below. But if I can't, sorry guys. Hopefully she does like another talk of it or like another merch. But I just love this one, and because I'm like, I feel that quote so much, like busy building my empire. I feel like with this channel, I'm like, I'm busy building my subscribers and everything. So yeah, I love it, and it's just a subtle black, and like I said, it's from Skinnydip. And then of course I've matched it with the smart trousers again, but to make this outfit pop even more, even though this is a cute outfit, you can put a coat on. Now this coat is from Boohoo. There is a black one, like a blacky grey one, a purple one and a blue one, and like this one of course. And everywhere does these coats now, so it's not just Boohoo. But I'll link the Boohoo one down below, and I love this coat. I got this in a large. It's a little bit baggy, but that's how it's like I've seen it styled, and I like it like that. But this is what it looks like with the coat on. It's so cute. I'm in love with this outfit. Definitely need to take Instagramming it. It's so cute. But yeah, on to the last and final outfit. Now this is the last final outfit, and yes, it's with the same top, but I've been trying to find such a nice light pink top for so long, and I'm glad I finally found it. Obviously it's on top of being one of my favourite YouTubers as well, but you can't really see it, or I don't know if you can. In my view you can't, but there is like little like light pink lines on top of what you can see, like the black and white. So I've wanted to get a light pink top to match it, and I've just found the right light pink top. So I'm in love with this. I'm definitely going to wear this outfit out, but of course it's the smart trousers again, but these ones have lines on it, and like the pattern is just gorgeous, and I don't feel like it's too much as well. I feel like the type of patterns I get aren't too much, or the way I tell them, I make them look casual, or I try to, without them popping too much, because I feel like some patterns can just be too much, but this is cute. But yeah, let's get into the outro. Did you like it? Did you like it? Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, because I love interacting with you guys. And if you're not already, hit subscribe. I do mostly fashion and beauty videos and a bit of lifestyle. And yeah, bye.